Hi, welcome back to my channel. This video will discuss how to get Task Manager on Windows 10, so watch this video until the end, but before that, please subscribe to my channel, so you can watch the latest videos on this channel. Task Manager in Windows 10 stands as a dynamic and important tool that allows users to monitor and manage running processes, applications, and system performance. Task Manager gives users real-time insight into Windows 10 device performance, allowing you to identify and resolve issues immediately. Then how to open the Task Manager in Windows 10. The first method is using keyboard shortcuts. By pressing the Ctrl, Shift and Escape keys simultaneously, it will open the Task Manager directly. Select Task Manager from the menu to open it. The second method is to open the Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar. Find the taskbar at the bottom of your screen, right-click on the taskbar, and select Task Manager from the context menu. The third method to open the Task Manager is by using the search bar, located next to the Start button. Magnifying glass or search icon is your gateway. Type Task Manager in the search bar and select from the search results. The fourth method via the Start menu, click on the Start button, type Task Manager, start typing Task Manager in the Start menu, and click to open it. Task Manager in Windows 10 is an indispensable tool for users who want to maintain optimal system performance. Whether used for troubleshooting, resource management, or application control, Task Manager provides a comprehensive solution. By understanding its tabs, features, and practical use cases, users can exploit the full potential of Task Manager, contributing to a smoother and more efficient computing experience on Windows 10. That's my video about how to get Task Manager on Windows 10. If you like the video, please click like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.